carpet cleaning, doing a kind of a rough job here. Using the Rotovac 360i quad head. This is hooked up to the big Everest 650. You can buy this stuff and add them to different truck mounts, but this one's got it's the biggest. Lots of suction, lots of heat. Using all our green products, no phosphates, no butyls, family safe. Just showing you the power that this has behind the big truck mount. You can put these things behind little truck mounts. All I do is wet the carpet and they don't clean as good. You need suction. I could actually pull the carpet off the tack strip here. But a little demo here. As soon as it goes clear, you got the mud out of it. No shrink photography. 260 degrees. A lot of vacuum that pulls the dirt through the sheet out the side there. Cleaning.